Hi, Marine House Whisperer, and I have plotted out a stress line made by someone's worrying pacing, and this particular line has its origins in the former hospital that is way down there, and 2 of my 3 children were born in this former hospital. So the stress line wanders around. So these are just placed randomly. They're following the line. The distance apart has nothing to do with anything. And this stress line was created in 1967, and these buildings were not built until the 1980s, so the person stressed would have wended his or her way home, worrying as he went through there. I told a little fib. This stress line was in fact created in 1962-3. A 30-year-old man was very concerned about someone. He is still alive, and the person who was in hospital fully recovered. And we can not only heal this line, but we can also heal the people concerned. Isn't that absolutely fabulous? So, to learn more about things like this, visit my Facebook page, please, Marine House Whisperer. Post your comments, your questions, and of course, please like the page. Thank you.
Time flies, and here is another episode of Marine House Whisperer for you to enjoy and share with your friends.